In this video, we're going to talk about our new Sony FX9 Unified Accessory kits. This is the base kit, which includes the top plate that attaches to the top of the camera body. This plate separates into two pieces if you want to use the original Sony handle. You simply take this middle portion out. This plate has 1/4, 20, and 3/8 mounting points, as well as the ARRI standard accessory mount in several places. On the front, we have 15mm lightweight rod openings for attaching lens motors over the lens. On top of that, we have our top handle V2, which has 1/4, 20, and 3/8 mounting points, as well as two shoe mounts for attaching on-camera lights and microphones. We also have a side 15mm opening for attaching the original Sony viewfinder bracket that comes with the camera body, or our UVF Mount V2. On the bottom, we have the unified base plate, which holds two 15mm rods that are 12 inches long at the correct distance from the center of the lens. This base plate releases in two ways. You can turn the right thumb screw, slide the camera backwards, and lift straight off. This exposes an Arca Swiss standard dovetail shape on the bottom. The second is the thumb screw on the operator's side. You can unlock this, slide backwards, and lift off, exposing an ARRI standard dovetail slot on the bottom. This is the advanced kit, which includes some of the previous items plus a few additions. On top, we have the NATO Handle Plus V2, which is a quick release multifunction top handle. To rotate the handle, unlock the side thumb screw and turn to a new position. Lock it to keep it in place. To quick release, you can unlock the back thumb screw and slide to the end, then push the safety pin down. On the bottom, we've changed to 15mm rods that are 15 inches long, and we've added the safety dovetail 8-inch. This is an ARRI standard dovetail that allows you to counterbalance on your tripod. You can also slide to the end to quickly remove it. This is the Pro kit, which includes most of the advanced kit, but on the bottom we've changed the safety dovetail to a 12-inch length. And on top we've added the UVF Mount V2, which allows you to attach the original Sony viewfinder in a much more easy way. You can unlock the side thumb screw here and move the rod in and out to change the position. You can also swing it forward for a handheld configuration. You can add additional length by unlocking the NATO screw and moving this clamp forwards and backwards. One of the benefits of the unified baseplate system is the ARRI dovetail slot on the bottom. Here we've added the unified VCT set, but we use the ARRI dovetail slot to counterbalance the camera. So we can unlock this thumb screw and slide forwards and backwards. This makes for more comfortable handheld shooting. On the back, we've added the battery slide FX9 in a gold mount version. This allows you to attach a standard gold mount battery to the camera, and we have a voltage regulator built in that gives the camera the 19.5 volts that it requires. On the side of the plate, we have two P-taps, and on top we have a single P-tap. These are standard battery voltage, and we have a digital fuse inside, so if you short these or if you draw too much current, the red light will come on, and then you can fix the situation and push the reset button to re-enable power. A great benefit of the battery slide design is that you can still install the Sony BPU battery. So you can just tilt this up, slide your battery in, and then install the cinema battery on the back. This allows you to hot swap between the two sources. There are Sony BPU batteries that are shorter than this that allow you to get the plate vertical on the back. These products are all available in our store now.